Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can fix Nikon error press shutter release button again. Now when you encounter this problem, basically it revolves around a very easy fix. What you need to do is to first grab your camera, and from there you then want to remove your camera lens. As you can see, we have the shutter behind the camera right here. So from there, you then want to make sure that this specific part of the camera is not stuck. So you want to grab a small and thin objects, and from there, you want to make sure to move it up and down, or you can just pull it slightly and gently, making sure that this part of the camera is not stuck. From there, this will then help you remove the fix Nikon error press shutter release button again message. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.